Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May 15th, 2023. Let's get started. We're going to talk about Quant Network today to see if a price move to $87. Will that be a shocking plunge if you guys didn't know about it? Of course it would. So let's talk about it today. We're going to look at whether or not Quant Network is going to run down to 87 bucks. Now, you guys can tell what trend are we currently on into the market in Quant Network. You let me know. Exactly, the arrow is pointing down. That is the current weight of the market is pushing price lower in Quant Network. And you guys can tell I've been looking for the price in Quant Network to go higher, and take a look. We haven't even seen the market come into our price target area at all. So it kind of lends to the belief that the market in Quant Network is not that strong. Should we come in and actually erase this price prediction and look for Quant Network to continue to go lower? Let's try to figure that out now. I want to look at this on a weekly chart first to show you all a longer viewpoint into the market for Quant Network, because we identified that we needed to see buyers in the market in Quant Network to come in and hold like $106. Like, we needed to see the buyers continue to hold this price level, and so far that is currently ongoing. So right now, it's not time to pull the trigger into the market in Quant Network and let this play go, because we're still seeing emphasis and belief of the market participants that they want to buy Quant down here around 106 bucks, just like they did here in March 6, 2023, the week of. So the buyers are still here as of today. Now, on this move higher though, we may only see Quant Network run to 116, 120, and then come back down. Okay, so I'm not saying that we're going to see the price in Quant Network take a breakout. Let's look at the trend. You guys can see that we are not trending higher. Instead, we're trending lower. Okay. Here's Quant Network on a 2-weekly chart. So right now, on the conclusion of this end of this week, this trading week today, I want to see the market in Quant Network look the way that 2-weekly price bar looks right now. Because as that continues to be formulated, as we see the market continue to trade this week, I want to see the price close at the high of that 2-weekly price bar, because then it lets me know that yes, buyers are definitely coming into the market. Okay. So here it is on the 5-day chart. We have 13 hours and 19 minutes left. And again, I like what's currently ongoing into the market in Quant. It's still letting me know that the buyers are here and that we're just simply trending down here to the support area that we talked about on April the 30th. Okay, here it is on the 3-day. So I'm not going to change my price prediction, albeit you guys can see that I have my ultimate TP price around 130. I'm not looking for the market to go that high because of how the price action went since I did our last video on April the 30th. I cannot be that bullish. I cannot look for the price to run up to 130. If anything, we may just see it run up to 115, like I said earlier, just to break even on this forecast, on this price prediction, and then let the play go. Or we might see it run up to 120. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to do here on this video is change my targets. Okay, so my first target is going to be around 115. That would take us to, around break even or a little bit of a minimal loss for around 115. That would give us 1.63% loss there. And our second target will be around 120. That's around 2.5% profit. Okay, so rather than dropping 3 targets, we're just going to do those 2. Okay, so now let me know, do you think Quant Network is going to go a lot higher than 120 in the next week? Okay, do you think it's going to go higher than 120 in the next month? Yes, we can still see price in Quant Network run a lot higher than 120. We can see it run up to 130 in the next month. Because like I said, we're still seeing buyers come in at around $106, $105. That is a necessity. That is a must. That needs to continually go forward in order for us to even hold the prospect that Quant Network is going to continue to trend higher. Okay, so those are the only things I changed. I dropped 2 different price targets. No longer are the ones on April the 30th valid. Today's video, we're going to give you 115 and 120 as those targets. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.